Hi there, I'm Paul Washington, your trusted realtor here in Metro Atlanta. There are many different questions that arise when talking with home buyers. My goal is to educate you to be more prepared for the home buying journey. Many people often wonder, what costs should I plan for when buying a home? Buying a home involves various costs beyond just the purchase price. It's important to plan for these expenses to ensure a smooth and financially prepared home buying process. Here are some common costs associated with buying a home. Your down payment. Down payment is a percentage of the home's purchase price that you pay up front. The amount can vary depending upon the type of mortgage and lender requirements. These can range from as little as zero money down for a VA loan, 3.5% down for a FHA loan, to 10 or more percent for a conventional type of loan. Closing costs are fees associated with the home purchase that are paid at the closing table. They may include your lender fees, appraisal fees, title insurance, escrow fees, attorney's fees, and recording fees. Closing costs are not a fixed amount or a percentage and can range based on how much you put down. Also, keep in mind that these costs are negotiated between the buyer and the seller. It's advisable to have a professional home inspection to identify any issues with the property. The cost of a home inspection varies based upon the location and the size of the home. Lenders often require an appraisal to determine the fair market value of the property. Appraisal fee is typically paid for by the buyer. You have origination fees. Some lenders charge origination fees for processing the loan. This fee is usually a percentage of the loan amount. You've got property taxes that are prorated based upon the closing date. Be prepared to pay a portion of the annual property taxes at closing. You have homeowners insurance. Lenders typically require proof of homeowners insurance. You may need to pay the first year's premium at closing. You have private mortgage insurance. If your down payment is less than 20%, you may be required to pay PMI. This is an insurance that protects the lender in case of default. If the property is in a community with an HOA, there may be fees associated with it, such as prorated fees or initiation fees. These fees cover shared amenities and community maintenance. Of course, you have moving costs. Budget for the cost of hiring movers and/or renting a moving truck. Utilities and home maintenance. Plan for the cost of setting up your utilities and potential immediate home maintenance or improvements. Always have a contingency fund for unexpected expenses that may arise during the home buying process. It's important to note that these costs can vary based on factors such as location, the type of property, and the terms of the purchase agreement. Working with a real estate agent like myself and a mortgage professional can help you understand and plan for these costs based on your specific situation. Feel free to like and subscribe to see more home buying tips or contact me directly to start your search today. I'm Paul Washington with Keller Williams Realty. Make it a great day.